So you're probably wondering why all these parts are scattered all over my desk. Well, you might have seen this Mustang in other videos, and as you know, every video I've shown it in, it's being repaired. And this time, it needed a new drive shaft, so we had to take the whole thing apart. Alright, let's get straight to the point. This is the engine, and we're going to put it in first. Obviously, you need an engine to run a car. Second, we're going to add the trunk. I might have gotten confused where the pegs for the trunk were. Alright, let's forget that happened and put it in the dashboard. And we screw it in. And we move on to the doors. Now these are a little bit trickier because you gotta make sure they really screw in. Like really screw in. Alright, the first door's in, now we move on to the last one. Alright, the second door's in. Now let's get to the hood. Boom! The hood is in. And so is the trunk. So I kinda needed to take off the covers for both the hood and trunk. So let's put those back on. Let's go ahead and move on to the interior. Okay, interior's in. Let's roll up the chassis. Get it? Roll. I don't know if anyone understood that joke. Let me just yoink the exhausts and stick them to the chassis. And I did it upside down. Wow. Let's fix that. Gosh, there's so many screws to screw in the chassis, if that made any sense at all. That's one screw down, and 5 more to go. Let's speed this up. So I added an extension to the drill in order to get those last two, because they are deep. Oh my god, look at the exhaust, it's wiggling. And after an eternity of screwing, we are done. Jeez. That took a long time. Please give a thumbs up in order to support me. It helps a lot. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's add a teeny tiny license plate. to get this toolbox, the link is in the description. Go check it out. Do it. Please. Look at all those bits. Yes, everything that you see is included. Sadly, this video is now coming to an end. And make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.